Hello students, this is Amitabh sir from Great Mission Public School. Today I have decided to create a video for those students who like computer programming but due to some reason they cannot afford a computer in their home. So nowadays everybody has smartphone at their home. Therefore, I have decided for those students who like to code using their mobile phone. As I'm teaching HTML programming to grade 6, so this is my first video for them which will show you how to download an app or HTML editor from Google Play Store and create a folder where you can save an HTML file and run that file using that text editor. So being a Android user, a very popular HTML editor that you can find in Google Play Store is WebCode. So how to download it? I'm just showing you the steps. Please watch it carefully. So click on Google Play Store icon and in the search box type WebCode and click on the text shown in the search box. So this is the symbol which is showing in white curly brace with a red icon. It will hardly take 4.1 MB to download and install on your smartphone. So straight away click on install button and it will first download the file on your smartphone and then it will install on your current operating system, that is Android operating system that you have in your phone. So it is now downloaded and now it is installing. So wait for a while. It will depend on the speed of the processor and the RAM that you're using on your smartphone. So speed may vary, depends on the system specification. So in my mobile it is now installed and it is now doing a security scan to find whether this app is infected by a virus or a malware or not. So we are good to go. It shows pass security test. So from here you can open WebCode app. The window or the interface of this app looks like this, which is on your screen. It says about welcome to this app and it will give a brief idea about this application. So at the top you will find a cross symbol. You can close this and first what you have to do, first you have to create a folder, because being a web designer it is a healthy practice to always create a folder and give it a name where you can save all the HTML code files as well as videos, pictures or any other multimedia content in this particular folder. So first I will show you how to create a folder. Now look at the bottom part. There are three icons among which one says files. So click on this files folder. It asks you to allow file access. So allow it and it will show you the available folder in your smartphone. Now if you find any suitable folder over here, you can save that file, or else what you can do is look at the top, you will find a plus symbol. So click over there and it will ask you about the following option. So as I said, I have to create a folder first. So I will click on folder and I have to give a folder name. So let's say I am giving it web designing as a folder name. Why? Because we are now designing a web page. So HTML is a scripting or a programming language which allows you to create a web page. Here in this folder we will save all the files and the related contents to view HTML pages. So click on create, and in this particular screen, look at the bottom part, you will find web designing folder is already created. Now here we will save all the files whenever we want to create and view a web page. So first thing first, again click on plus, and now this time click on HTML file. Why? Because we are now going to create a file which is used for creating web pages. Now there are two text box. Look at the bottom one which says path storage emulated 0. So as we have to first save this file in web designing folder, so first we have to locate it a path where we want to save this file. So on the right side, click on the black icon which shows a folder box, and it will show you the folder. Now scroll down in alphabetic order and it will show you web designing folder. So click on this folder and select. Now when you click on select, if you look at the top, we are already in a web designing folder where we will save all the web pages and related multimedia files like images, videos, audios, and all those stuffs that is used to create a web page. So click on select, and now you will notice the path has been changed from storage emulated 0 to storage emulated 0 web designing. Now we have to give a file name for creating our web page. Let's say I'm giving it as first program .html. Why .html? Because as I told that we are going to create a web page, so we want to view this web page in a web browser. So HTML is a supported extension or a file name which allows you to view these contents in a web page. Now once I click on create, I will notice at the top it will show me the file name, and it will also shows me the skeleton or the format of HTML coding. As because we are using a professional text editor, so by default it will show me the structure or the skeleton of HTML coding. So we have to give a less effort. So as you can see in the title, it shows me hello world, and they have used a header h1 as hello world. So if we run this program, output would be shown as hello world with header 1 tag. Now look at the top, you will find a play button. Now if you click on play button, it will display the output of your code. Did you see that? Now look at the top, the title we have mentioned as hello comma world, it is showing in the red, and in header 1 element we are using hello world, so it is showing as output as hello world. Now if you want to go to the program, click on the first tab over here and you can see the code. So once your file is already created, you do not have to save here time to time, because the moment you make changes in the code, it will automatically reflect in the output box. So this is the end of our first video. In the upcoming videos, I will give you more tips and tricks and tutorials so that it would be easy for you to how to create or write codes using HTML editor. As of now, please take care of yourself. Thank you.